Hi, I'm Al Duffy, President of the Ontario Regiment Tank Museum in Oshawa, Ontario, Canada, and we're here looking at our Centurion. And I wanted to show you the back end. I want to show you the engine, the gearbox, for one main reason. First, it's pretty clean, it's fresh, it's just been restored. And second, all the top grills and plates are still being restored, so we got a pretty quick and easy access. You notice the engine up the front there. That's a Meteor engine, produced or designed by Rolls-Royce, and some of you may have heard of the Merlin engine that was used to fire the Spitfires. It's the same basic concept, and it was developed and engineered by Rolls-Royce for that sole purpose. World War II, this exact engine is what powered the British Crusader and Comet tanks. So 650 horsepower, V12 petrol engine, very reliable. This particular engine, we had two gate guards. This was one of them until we got it running. The other one, between the two of them, I think we had about 3 engines, but we couldn't get one together to effectively work. So we found one. We found a source in the southern states, and they were painted yellow. They were refurbished, and they were designated for Marine service, but it was the exact same engine. So we brought it up here. We put the turquoisey British color on it. You can see it right there. It's basically a new engine. It's totally refurbished. And we put that in, and you'll notice we've exposed the gearbox, which again was developed. All this was developed in the late 40s, mid 40s and late 40s, and refined. We got the rads up here. We've had it out running. It's running pretty hot right now. And in a moment, we're going to fire up these puppies, and we're going to let you hear them. So we've lowered the 2 radiators, and we're going to start this engine up. And again, some people consider the Centurion the best tank that's ever been produced for its longevity, for its use, for its multifunctional characteristics. Anyways, all that good stuff, but let's find out how this engine sounds. It's petrol, it's not diesel. Let's find out what she sounds like. Whoa. Now that's cool. Well, that was a powerful engine. It just blew my hat right off. But the beauty of it is this engine, Rolls-Royce designed, made by Rover for the longest time. They had the largest contract for it. It lasted basically intact for the entire life of the unit. And keeping in mind, it went into service, mass production in '51. They were taken out 100%. Some of the R versions were actually used in the Gulf War in 1991. So you do the math, that's like 39-year service life. Pretty good. Same engine, same reliability. Not the same thing that can be said for the Chieftain, its successor. If you found this video informative, and you want to know more about the Ontario Regiment Tank Museum and other videos, please check the link below. We'll be happy to tell you more.